Good morning, everybody. So today I'm going to be doing spend a few days with me, just going on. It's like a raw vlog, what I really get up to with the children and just when I'm with work and things like that. So this is just like a little intro, but yeah, it is Monday morning. I have dropped Isabella to school and I'm about to drop Harrison to school. He goes to afternoon nursery, so I'm about to do that. Excuse this, this has no makeup on and my hair is an absolute mess, but this is real life and I'm showing you real life. So this is me, fresh face, not fresh hair, but you know what I mean. It's washed, but it's just in a scrunchie and just looks like an absolute pineapple on my head, to be honest. But never mind about that. So I'll just quickly say it now. If you do enjoy this video at any point, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and that bell button so you're notified when I next upload a video. So I'm going to now get Harrison ready for school. And then I'm going to do a bit of tidying when he's at school, because I'll do a little bit when he's not at school, but it's really no point. So I'll kind of do it when afterwards. I've also got, it's like a bit like an admin day today. I've got to catch up on a lot of emails and things like that on my laptop. So I'll come back and have some lunch and do that and show you what I have for lunch and just interesting things like that, really. I'm sure you're really interested. But yeah, so I'm going to catch up with you in a bit. I'm rocking a bun, no makeup, and loungewear kind of day. This is what I like to wear on a daily basis with my nice slippers. And now I'm all comfortable. That's how I get things done. I do the school run, I get to clean and things like that. And that's the type of day I'm having. I'm not getting dressed up. I'm not going anywhere interesting, so I don't need to get dressed up. Just in my loungewear, as you do. So yeah, that is what I'm wearing today. Oh, and I got this from Primark. So I don't know if you can see this. This is me doing really bad filming now, look. This set was the one I got from Primark. If you haven't already seen the Primark haul that I did not so long ago, I will link it in the description. But yeah, I got this from Primark. I think they were £13 each, so £26 for their lounge set, and it is so comfortable and so soft. It's like knitted, so it's really, really nice. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing today. Interesting.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives.
Cheese, juice bottle, check. Ready to go to school? You ready to go to school? Oh yeah, are they heavy? Come on then, let's go. Let's go to school. Is it heavy? You hold Mummy's hand? I'll hold this one. You want to hold that one as well? No. Are we going to school? Yeah. Yeah? Oh, what are you going to play with? Are you going to play with your friends? Oh, you got your trainers on today. That's because your other ones are in the wash. Your school shoes, aren't they? Oh. Hello, who's that? Is that Harrison? Is he going to school? Yeah. Look at the hot mess of me. Oh my lord. Look at this hair. Something else. Well, I've just pulled up, just taking Harrison to school now. And then I'm going to go home and tidy up the mess he has calls this morning. I've also got a lot of washing to catch up on, not just washing but actual like laundry, like putting it away, drying and all of that jazz. So I'm going to do that when I get home. So yeah, I'll film a little time lapse with doing my laundry and stuff, because it's that exciting for you to watch. Might give you some motivation, you never know, so I'll include it. It is a raw vlog, so this is literally what I do daily. Every day is different, obviously, but hey ho. So I'm just going to take him in now, and then I'll catch up with you in a bit.
We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long, and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
So for lunch, I'm just having these multi-seed rolls with chicken on and a banana and a nice cup of tea. So I've dropped Harrison to school now. So I'm now back. I'm just going to have my lunch, go on my laptop, send a few emails and things like that. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do, and eat my lunch.
Through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red light, I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can...
I'll quickly show you this. I have put up the voile on my makeshift what do you call it, makeshift cupboard. Just ignore the fact that it's a mess. The whole cupboard, it needs to be decluttered. But yeah, I've draped it like this on a little sticky self-adhesive hook. So literally just, I don't know if you can see that, one of them hooks behind there that are just self-adhesive, because it just makes sense. I've got one up there for now. I want to get two, and I think I am going to get two. So I'm going to get one to go that way and have that scrolled over a little bit more, and then it'll look a little bit better. But unfortunately, I got this from Wilko, and it literally was £6, which was a bargain, by the way, but they only had one. So I needed the longest drop. So yeah, I've got that nicely draped there. So I thought I'd quickly update you on what I've done with their wardrobe in their room. If you're not new here, then you'll know what I mean. You know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I like it. It looks really, really nice. Okay, so I thought I would just sit here, get cozy with my cup of tea. So if you haven't already, make sure you grab that cup of tea and your blankets and get cozy. So I thought I would do an Ikea haul on this vlog, because you know what Ikea's like. It's a bit of a hit and miss kind of shop. You either go in there and buy the shop, or you go in there and buy nothing. So I had a day where I kind of bought a few bits, but I bought a furniture item as well, which if you haven't already seen my come shop with me to Ikea, I will link in the description, because it does show the actual shoe storage that I got. Because if I show you now, I haven't set it up yet because I've not finished my hallway. So if I do it now, then you won't see it up, you'll just see the box. So first of all, I'm going to show you, it has got a mark on this I'm really annoyed about already, but I did pick up these. I don't know if you can see that. I picked up these bath mats. I got two of them. They're just simple bath mats. £1.25 they were. So I thought these are really good to have a change of them. Do you know what I mean? Like, because bath mats go funny after a while anyway. So I just like plain and simple. Me, I'm all about plain and simple when it comes to bath mats and things like that. So that was only £1.25. So I picked two of those up. Then I picked up this scub box. It's actually for underneath my bed. So it's like that. I don't know if you can see. It's the white version, cream, whatever the colour is. And basically, I'm trying to get organised. So I will be having some decluttering videos coming up, because I need to declutter before autumn hits, you know, before Christmas and all of that. I need to declutter my whole house, and I'm decorating it, obviously, as you know. I've got my hallway I'm decorating next and things like that, so I've got so much going on. I could scream, but I thought I'll start by getting some boxes like this for underneath my bed so I can start organising things. I need to put away all the summer stuff, bring out all the autumn stuff, and then anything that I buy new and things like that, it's going to be going in my new drawers and all that. So I picked that up, and that was, I think that was £5. I say I think because when we got to the next section, it showed one and it wasn't £5. And then in another section, it said it was. So I haven't got my receipt. I totally don't know what I've done with it. But I think it was £5. The next thing that I got, again going along the line of storage, is I got one of these, which is, I'll open it for you so you can see. But basically, it's one of them things that you put in, they advertise it as putting it in the wardrobe so that you can put things in. I'm going to open it now. And basically, if you haven't already seen this, it's like that. So I don't know if you can see that. It's got little pockets, and then it's got the little hanging bit there. This is good for wardrobes, but what I'm going to use it for is in a cupboard to put in cleaning stuff, bathroom stuff, you know, behind the door in my cupboard. I've got a cupboard next to my bathroom, and it's like a storage cupboard, a big storage cupboard. And then I thought if I hang this on the back of the door, then I've always got things. So that I can put extra cleaning products that I don't want to sit in my, or all the cleaning products that I don't want to sit in my bathroom, and all of that sort of stuff. And like extra beauty stuff that doesn't fit in my bathroom, because my bathroom's getting a bit cluttered again, and it's getting me down. So I'm like, I need to sort that out. So that's another decluttering thing. The next thing that I picked up, I've been meaning to pick up every time I'm in there, but I've never known what section it's at. So it's these little tubs here, and it's got the little hook, like so, right? They are 50p each, so I've got 3 of those, and it goes, they hang on this. So my idea for this is to put it in my daughter's and my son's bedroom above her desk and put pens and pencils in them. So the bar was £1.50 and these were only 50p each. So I mean, it's a bargain. You could use these in the bathroom, you could use these in the kitchen, you could use them in anything. You can even put plants in them if you wanted to and hang them. It looked nice, and they're just so cheap. So many things you can do with that, and good IKEA hacks for you. The next thing that I picked up, I never go into IKEA and don't pick up a candle. They have so many, their candles are so good. And I believe, I want to say these are 98p now. I can't remember how much they are, but if you know, you know what these are. This is, it's got 25 hours. I love this one, which is the Sinlig. Right, I don't know how to say anything to do with IKEA, so I apologise about that. And then I also picked up this one, which is like a vanilla-y scent. So that's more of a vanilla. It says it on the thing, look. Vanilla-y, that's like berries. And that's like vanilla ice cream. So, yep. So I picked these up. Oh, no, I know how much they are now. They're 95p each. And then they've got the bigger ones now. They've actually got bigger ones and really big ones as well. So, but I just thought I'd pick these up, and they're just good to have because you can never have too many candles. So other than this 2 storage, that's all that I picked up in IKEA. I will probably show you me putting this storage up in this vlog, because I'm probably going to do it. I'll either do it in this vlog or the next vlog, because it depends when I put it up. I've actually got to paint, so I'm probably going to be painting this vlog, by the way. But may not be as well, so I don't know. I don't know how this is going to go. I don't know how many days I'm going to be filming for before I put this up. So it might be in the next vlog. So this vlog will be what I'm doing now, a couple of days, and then I'll be starting my painting. So that is everything I've got in IKEA. So yeah, that's it. I thought I would just show you and have a little cosy day. I'm just going to have some of my tea now. So yeah, now I've got to do some tidying up. Fun. So it's a little while later now, and the kids are back from school, and I'm just cooking dinner. So I just thought I'd show you what I'm cooking. I'm cooking chicken curry. Are we on the go? And some boil in the bag rice, because I can't do rice, and I'm not ashamed to admit it. So that's dinner on the go. So this is our dinner. Nice curry. That's Harrison's, Isabella's, and mine. And Jonathan's already eaten, so that's why he hasn't got any. But yeah, it's a nice curry. Do you like curry?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel now.
Sky's beautiful and so are you. I wanna make it up to you, start something new.
So I'm going to end the vlog here. I've just run the bath for my children. They're going to go in the bath now and get ready for bed. I thought I would end it here. I was going to do a few days with me, but I kind of wanted to do this separately because I did do an Ikea haul in this video. So I wanted to do it separately because I wanted to do my painting and decorating in a different vlog. So that would be more of a few days, maybe a weekly vlog. Not sure how it's going to go yet. If you are enjoying these type of videos, then please make a comment below to let me know what type of videos you're enjoying on my channel, and I'll be sure to make more of them. If you do like this video at any point, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and that bell button so you're notified when I next upload a video. So I'm going to go now and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.